How to remove devices connected to your Instagram account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose, and if you wish to secure your Instagram account by removing unfamiliar devices, here's how. Launch Instagram app on your device. Tap profile icon at bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on three-line menu icon at top right corner. Access Account Center at top of your screen. Tap on Password and Security. Under Security Checks, select where you are logged in. Select your Instagram account. Here you will see a list of devices and location you are logged in. Tap Select Devices to log out and check mark the unfamiliar device. Tap on Logout at bottom of your screen and tap Logout. With this, you will remove the suspicious devices. If you spot any, you can tap This wasn't me to disconnect the device. Then you'll be prompted to change your password and your devices will be logged out except the one you are on. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.